Hi, I'm Lucas Rowe. I'm a partner at Koegle Law Group, and we do employment law defense for employers. I became an attorney because foolishly people said I like to argue and that would be the best job for me. But in hindsight, I should have realized that arguing is not all there is to being an attorney, and I should probably have considered it a little bit more deeply before going to law school just for that. I was the first person in my family to ever go to college and the first to get an advanced degree. And I didn't know what I didn't know. So when I was in law school, I had no idea that I should really focus on something in particular, like intellectual property or real estate or something like that to sort of form a niche for myself. And so when I got out of law school, I kind of just did whatever I could do. I initially did bedside wills for people, probate estates, debt collection, really whatever I could get. And then over the years, I've just sort of accumulated a different set of skills, a different knowledge base, and just kind of grew overall. I'm sort of one of those jack of all trades, master of none, but a jack of all trades is still better than a master of one. And I think in the practice of business and employment law, that serves our clients very well, especially when we represent corporations or business entities. Yeah, they have employment disputes, but they also have things like corporate minutes that they have to maintain or different compliance issues that come up that a niche employment lawyer might not necessarily know because they don't deal with any of those other tangential business issues. The things I like about being an attorney are two things for the most part: being in trial and doing depositions. I like the actual challenging of witnesses, challenging the other side, making them prove their case, and like I said, I like to argue. So when I'm in front of a jury or a judge, that's kind of my opportunity to shine. That's one of my strengths. When it comes to litigation, I can kind of take those skills and apply it to any given case and say, well, my opponent has all these weaknesses, let me exploit them, or my case has a lot of strengths, let me reinforce those as much as possible. At Koegle Law Group, we offer advice, guidance, and counseling to businesses to help them understand whether they're legally compliant in every facet of their business, and we would be happy to help you do the same.